How much waste does a typical eco-home construction project generate? Imagine building a house that not only saves energy but also produces less trash than traditional homes. You might wonder how much waste actually comes from constructing these eco-friendly spaces. Well, it turns out that eco-home projects tend to produce significantly less waste than conventional building projects, but some waste is still inevitable. On average, about 30% of the building materials delivered to any construction site can become waste. This waste comes from offcuts, packaging, mistakes, or changes during construction. Materials like wood, drywall, concrete, bricks, and metals are the main contributors. In regular construction, waste from building sites makes up roughly 30 to 40% of all solid waste sent to landfills worldwide. In some places, construction and demolition waste can account for about 1/3 of landfill waste. For example, in the United States, construction projects created around 145 million tons of waste that could not be recycled in just 1 year. Most of this waste was from wood, drywall, asphalt shingles, bricks, and clay tiles, which often end up in landfills. Eco-home builders work hard to cut down on this waste by using green construction practices. They plan carefully to reduce material offcuts and avoid mistakes. Prefabricated or modular parts are used to limit on-site waste. Builders choose materials that are recyclable, biodegradable, or made from recycled content. They also sort waste on-site to recycle and reuse as much as possible. Many eco-projects follow circular economy principles, meaning they aim to keep materials in use longer and help natural systems regenerate. Even with these efforts, some waste still happens. But eco-friendly construction generally produces less landfill waste and lowers embodied carbon emissions. This is because it favors materials like sustainably sourced wood, bamboo, or recycled steel, which have lower environmental impacts. It also avoids high-emission materials like traditional concrete and steel. In the end, a typical eco-home construction project might generate waste equal to about 20 to 30% of the materials delivered. The focus on sustainable building methods and energy efficiency helps reduce overall waste and environmental harm. Builders emphasize waste reduction, reuse, and recycling throughout the process. This approach not only cuts down on landfill contributions but also lowers greenhouse gases linked to extracting, transporting, and disposing of materials. So, while some waste is unavoidable, eco-friendly building practices make a real difference in making construction cleaner and greener.